What is going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode. Super exciting with Sapphire. So today is the first day that we're really going to be putting on a couple things. So I got the side skirts on the other day, and I wasted literally no time, and I got them on. So did come out really good. Carlos is doing his thing. I did get the headlights in. They don't look the best on the sides, but they get the job done. But side skirts make the car look a hell of a lot better. So I'm a little upset with myself, to be honest with you. I do have an issue with the front bumper, placing the front bumper. So when we got the car, I didn't really look at the condition of the fenders. So underneath here is where the front bumper actually connects to the rest of the car. Got little smudges. So this side over here does not have a square so that like I can actually put something in there. So I'm a little upset with that, but I repeat, do not want to put pop clips into this car because I feel like it would ruin the aesthetic. If I did have to do that, then it would be a completely different story, but I'm trying to avoid that if I can. So yeah, so today what we're going to be doing is I want to try to get this all mounted. Oh, I got all this stuff here I got to take care of. I can get rid of that, but I want to put this actual, like this, you know, the front plate on here, and I want to get the molding. I want to get these moldings all done, and I did get you have stuff up there, but I did get a new rear vane diffuser, or whatever you want to call it, vortex generator. I have that right over here. So and something else I did do here is that I powder coated the wiper blade motor, or the wiper blades, because these things they look like crap, but now it looks way better. And I want to try to get the hood shocks. I got the hood shocks here, so I want to do all three of those things today. Well, four things. Get the weather stripping on. So yeah, I think that's really all the stuff that I kind of want to do today. I don't want to pull it out into the sun or do anything crazy like that because it is overcast today. But there's no chance of rain today, so which is very weird. So anyway, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with doing the hood shocks. It is very simple to do. You guys should already know how to do this. I've done it a couple times, I think, but I did leave these middle parts right here open on both sides so that I can deal with the hood shocks. So yeah, let me get those unboxed. Let me show you what we got, and we'll just go from there. Hold on. All right, guys, so this is what I have here. It's from a company that says the name of it, but I got it on eBay. There's most of the non-important parts that I buy for my cars do come from eBay. This is definitely one of them. If you're interested, I can definitely put the link in the description below. But most of you guys do know these things are cheap, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, something like that, and they get the job done. I have them on Ivy, I have them on the GTR. I have them pretty much everywhere that I have hood shocks. I do have some for the Evo 10 that I have not done yet. There will be more content on the Evo 10 somewhat soon. I just need to get to that car because like I have some stuff going on with it. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't, but we'll get to that. But yeah, let's get to putting these bad boys on, and let's just go. people, so I got the structure down, but I do have to do a little bit of finagling here. I gotta see what, like it's hitting on this back piece back here, the cowl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to go up and down a couple times, see if I can't get it, and then I'll show you the results in a second. Hold on. All right, so as you can tell, I had to take out one spacer here, and I had to reverse this. I think I don't know if I had it this way or not, but now we have no need for this thing. So I'm gonna take this out, not throw it in the garbage, but I'm gonna just hold it to the side of my props, and we should be solid. So very solid. And it closes and opens pretty nice. Well, maybe I should reverse this. I'm not exactly sure. I'll figure it out. I think I actually might just do that. Might just reverse it, because it's supposed to, yeah, it's supposed to do it the other way. So yeah, give me a second, I'll switch this off real quick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so it doesn't seem like it matters the polarity or whatever, silver side up, black side up, it doesn't really matter. It does the same thing. You still get maximum exposure whenever you pop the hood. Still does what it's got to do. But we are done with that. Link in the description, I will put that down there. Now we're on to our next thing that we got to do here. So I got something here from China. So a lot of people, including myself, go for these off of eBay because they're cheap, they're easy to get, and they look good. They look good. So here we go. Here. So I don't know, let me unbag this. We got some double-sided tape. Let me unbag this and let me show you what we got. All right, people, so what we have is a brand new vortex generator. It is painted gloss black already, as you can tell, and they did a really good job. This thing was, like I said, it was cheap. Everything that I get on eBay is pretty cheap, but it did come with some double-sided tape here, double-sided tape. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we can put this bad boy on the car. So yeah, let's just get to it. Right, it looks so good. Let me open up this door. Let me show you guys. It does fit pretty damn good, I will say that. There is a little issue like in the corners, one corner here, one corner over here, but nothing too crazy, nothing that that a little you know, time in the sun so that it'll press fit really nicely. But other than that, it came out really good. I don't know if these tabs are supposed to stick up this high, but it sticks up a little high for me. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to make sure I can get the you know, the weather stripping on, and then we can go from there. So let me get one on, let me test fit it, and let me see if I have to modify it at all, and then I'll throw the other side on and see where we're at. So let's go. All right, people, so issues have arisen. All right, let me show you on the other side. It's just a lot easier. So in this groove here, there's 9 clip pieces, like hangers, that I need to buy, because I'll show you on the old ones that came off. These are the old ones. See how they look like trash. And these are the clips. So you see these clips here? They're supposed to be an anchor from here to here, and as you can tell, none of them have the anchor to actually do this. So all of these are trash. The other ones that I do have on this one over here, they're all trashed as well. Let's see. Yeah, see, I know it's really hard to see. Just look at this, turn this upside down. See, like, look at all of these. Somebody tried to do something stupid on them. But anyway, they are, I can't use them. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm like crazy dirty, because I didn't think this was gonna be a messy job. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to go and I'm gonna have to get all new like mini clips or whatnot, and make sure that I have like 18 of them, because I'm gonna just replace them all, make sure that they look really good. This was gonna be my video, to be honest with you, but now I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. I do have a couple things here. So the wiper blades, well, the wiper arms, see how these are? I'll show you. They look like ass, and now they looked, I powder coated them. Now they look way better. So I can't even put these on either, because what I'm trying to do is get this front cowl back on. And I can't even do that because I have to wait for clips for this weather stripping. So I can't do anything. To get this bad boy back in, this was a pain. That's why this is all like trashed and whatnot. This is the seal for the top of the glass here. So they had to take that out to paint the roof. So I had to clean all that stuff back up. I just had to put some, like, I don't know, not WD-40, but some lube to try to get the seal back in. And now I just got to clean that all up. So what else do I have to do? Oh yeah, so one of the things that I was thinking about putting back on is these door sills. So yeah, since we can't really do anything else, I'm gonna put those door seals back in, like these bad boys here, because they've been off the car. I've been letting them cure over here. I wiped them down with some, like, I don't know, this ceramic shield stuff, Cerakote. Oh, it's called Trim Coat. So the powder coating place that I usually go to, Prismatic, they sell this. So what it is it makes all your plastic look brand new again, or new-ish. So I've been using that, and so we're gonna put this back on. So I want to ask you guys a question. So I have these taillights here. These taillights, they're OEM, obviously, but obviously nobody runs these unless they kind of have to. Do you think you guys think I should run this in this car? Or do you think I should get, like, well, let's be very clear right now, very clear. So I don't have JDM taillight money, right? So I'm not gonna buy JDM taillights. I'm like 50-50 on buying depots, because they still look really good, look OEM-ish, but not OEM. Or I can just go with Evo 7 taillights. So what I'll do is I'll post a picture of what they would look like on the car, and let you guys decide, because it's either buying depots, which are like, they're cheaper, but they're depots, or I could spend a little bit more money and get the Evo 7 taillights, which I really like, but the wifey hates them really bad. But just let me know down in the comment section what you guys think I should run there. But yeah, so let's get to these door window guard trim things or whatever. So let's put these back on. So it's literally just a screw and putting them back in. But let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlefolk, I don't actually know if I made an outro for this video, but things are looking good for Project Sapphire. What I have been doing, as you can tell, is not super sunny outside. I've been working on the front bumper. So I had to transfer all of the mounting brackets, like stabilizer brackets or whatever. I had to put new, I don't know what you want to call that, like rivets. There you go, rivets. I had put new rivets here, so that's all cleaned up, ready to go. I had to take it off from here, And what I did was I actually recycled. There was, I think, only one like mesh grill, and the center grill was there, which, let's be real, people, nobody really uses the center grill when you have a big front mount. So I just decided not to put that there, and I actually recycled the front off of that one, and then I cut and made a thing for this side. So there was one already here from that bumper, so I reused that one. I used the center mesh here, and what I did was, like I said before, I repurposed the middle of that one for this side here. So it does look really, really good. So I'm very happy with the way it came out. So I don't have to spend like $100 a side on mesh and like another 60 bucks on mesh for this side, when I could just repurpose it from this bumper, this front bumper. So I don't think I'm really gonna do anything with this front bumper. Actually, just probably gonna chuck it. I don't think I could really use it because it's like the plastic is kind of chipping here, so there's really not too much I can kind of do with that. I can probably save the lip for somebody who definitely wants the lip. They can get that refinished or something like that, but as for me, I'm not really gonna use it. So this might be the only thing that I actually salvage off this front bumper. So yeah, so there's your outro. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I do have all the parts that I need coming for Sapphire, but it is gonna take me a little bit to actually get it here, just because nobody's got it. Nobody's got stuff in stock, so I gotta wait for, you know, parts and such. But I do have to wait for those clips for the weather stripping, so I'm gonna go inside, order those. Hopefully somebody's got those, because it's gonna be a pain. I actually do have two of those weather strips that are actually in a really, well, they actually look brand new. So look, this is what they're supposed to look like with the top here, you know what I mean, unscathed. But all the rest of them on all those on the thing was all messed up. And little heads up, let me find it here. I think I put it away. So I have a heat gun. Heat gun is your friend when it comes to these rear vortex diffusers. So remember, I had an issue with this side. So what I did was I just heated up this side here, and the plastic kind of melted a little bit and gave some form. So I just pressed this down, pressed these two tabs down, and now everything looks really, really good. I think I'm going to do something about that. That doesn't really fit. So yeah, that's gonna be, probably do that in black or something like that. I don't know. The antenna. But yeah, that's the video for today. I will be back at it as soon as I get parts. So hopefully that could be tomorrow, that could be next day. I have no idea. But one of the things I do want to do is actually get this car somewhat done, so that I can actually like take it to go get an alignment. I can go get some, what else do I kind of need? I need windshield wipers. I'm probably gonna take this freaking 10 off, like at least the 4 windows. I don't really, I'm a fishbowl type if I like the car, but yeah, I don't know, we'll have to see. Plus I got to do something with these I don't know what you want to call those B pillars and this part here. It just doesn't look good. It just does not look good, so I got to do something about that. But yeah, again, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Napoleon out. Deuces.